How to download Dead by Daylight on PC. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open any web browser on a device, and in web browser tap on the search address bar and search for the Dead by Daylight. Now once done so, again scroll down and there you'll get to see Steam offering the download option with maximum amount of off. Then simply tap on it and navigate to this Steam's official website. Now once you're inside this Steam's website, scroll down unless you see add to cart option available in the green box. There are different versions of games available in the Steam. Choose one that you prefer, and also to let you know the purchase price is different according to the versions available here. Simply tap on the add to cart of any version you would like to proceed with. And once you tap on the add to cart option, you will get to see view my cart option available in the blue highlights. Tap on it. And once you're inside your cart section, you can see proceed to checkout or proceed to payment option available there. Tap on it and complete the purchase. Then once purchase is complete, click install to begin the download and installation process. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.